Hi guys, I am Janmashri and in this video, I'll walk you through the eligibility criteria, exam pattern, syllabus and preparation tips for MCA Karnataka PGCET. Plus, I have included links to previous years, question papers and detailed syllabus in the description below, so make sure to check them out. First, let's talk about eligibility criteria. To apply for the MCA course through Karnataka PGCET, you must have a bachelor's degree from a recognized university with at least 50% aggregate marks. If you belong to a reserved category, the minimum requirement is 45%. Exam pattern. Now let's understand the exam pattern. The Karnataka PGCET is a paper-based test with multiple choice questions. The exam has a total of 100 questions divided into two parts. Part A consists of basic questions on mathematics and computer awareness. Part B consists of questions on logical reasoning, general English and general knowledge. Each question carries 1 mark and there is no negative marking. The duration of the exam is for 2 hours. Let's see the syllabus breakdown. Moving on to the syllabus, here are the key subjects you should focus on. Mathematics. Topics include algebra, coordinate geometry, calculus, probability and statistics. Computer awareness, basic concepts of computer systems, programming, data structure and networking. Logical reasoning and general knowledge, questions to test your analytical skills and awareness of current events. General English, covering grammar, vocabulary, comprehension and sentence correction. For the detailed breakdown of syllabus, check the link in the description below. Don't worry if this sounds overwhelming. Well, with the right preparation strategy, you can ace the exam. Let me share some effective preparation tips. Tip number 1. Practice is the key. Solve previous year's question papers to understand the exam pattern and difficulty level. I have provided the links to these papers in the description below. Tip number 2. Strengthen your basics in mathematics and computer awareness. Focus on understanding concepts rather than memorization. Tip number 3. Allocate daily time for logical reasoning and general knowledge. Read newspaper and stay updated with the current affairs. And finally, tip number 4. Take mock tests regularly to improve your time management and accuracy. I hope you found this video helpful. If you are planning to take the Karnataka PGCET, let me know in the comments and don't forget to subscribe for more updates and tips. Wishing you the best of luck in your MCA journey.